In today's video, I'm going to teach you Microsoft 365 Admin Center in Dashboard View. To get started, open the Microsoft 365 Admin Center in your browser. Once you're on the home page and signed in with an admin account, you'll land in either the simplified view or the full dashboard view. If you're currently seeing a cleaner, minimal layout with fewer options, that means you're in the simplified view, which is great for quick tasks but hides some powerful tools we'll want today. To switch to the dashboard view, look to the top right corner of the home screen. There you'll see a toggle labeled Dashboard View. Flip that switch. The page will refresh to reveal the full navigation experience and a card-based layout that surfaces the information you need at a glance. Front and center, you'll see cards, compact panels that summarize the health and activity of your tenant. Think of these as live snapshots of things like service health, user activity, and recommendations. You can tailor this area to match your workflow. Use the Add Card button to bring in new cards, remove ones you don't need, and drag to rearrange them so your most important insights sit at the top. This customization saves clicks and makes routine checks much faster. On the left, notice the sidebar has expanded. This is your command center. It now shows the broader set of management tools you expect in the admin center. If you only see a short list, select Show All to reveal the complete catalog. You'll find essential areas like users for managing accounts and groups, roles for permissions and least privilege assignments, health for service status and advisories, and reports for usage and adoption metrics. These hubs are organized to help you quickly dive from overview to action. At the very top, the search bar is powered by Microsoft 365 Copilot. This means you can use natural language to get where you need to go faster. For example, you might type something like reset a user's password or show Teams usage reports, and Copilot will guide you to the right place or initiate the action flow, reducing the hunt and click time. Finally, scroll to the bottom of the navigation menu to find direct links to deeper workload-specific consoles. These shortcuts take you straight into admin experiences for services like email, collaboration, security, and compliance, so you can move from a high-level overview into specialized settings without losing context. That's the dashboard view in the Microsoft 365 Admin Center, a flexible, customizable